Today I'm showing you the best rain jacket for beginners, tested in real backcountry storms. I've tested a dozen rain jackets in cold, wind, rain, and snow. And if you're just getting into hiking, backpacking, or camping, this is the one I tell people to trust. No hype, no brand deal, just a jacket I've worn hard for over a decade. If you want to stay dry, warm, and confident and not waste money on the wrong gear, this is the rain jacket every beginner should start with. This is my Patagonia Torrentshell 3L review and why I've trusted this jacket for over 12 years. Hey, I'm Matt and I lead men into the beauty and solitude of remote and epic places where gear either works or ruins your trip. I test gear while guiding primitive survival skills in the Texas woods, backpacking and fly fishing in Idaho and Wyoming, and on canoe expeditions in northern Minnesota. If you want gear that actually works, grab my free outdoor gear and clothing guide and check out my upcoming adventure trips. Links are below. All right, let's talk about the rain jacket every beginner should start with. When rain hits, and eventually it will, you don't just get wet. You get cold and tired and miserable. And once you're cold and wet, everything feels harder. And that's why your rain jacket matters more than you think. Here's what makes the best backpacking rain jackets for beginners. What matters and what's just marketing. A great beginner rain jacket needs to be truly waterproof, durable enough for mistakes, simple to use, and roomy enough to fit over layers. And the jacket I always recommend beginners start with is the Patagonia Torrentshell 3L. Here's why. Let me break down the specs and features so you get a detailed understanding of how great this rain shell jacket really is. First, the Patagonia Torrentshell 3L is the best rain jacket for beginners because of its 3-layer waterproof build. The Torrentshell 3L is a true 3-layer rain shell, not a flimsy 2-layer jacket pretending to be waterproof. Hence the name, Torrentshell 3L. 3L for 3 layers. The 3-layer H2 No fabric has a tough outer face fabric, a waterproof membrane in the middle, and an interior layer that protects that membrane. And that matters because it lasts longer, it breathes better, and it doesn't cling to your arms and body when it's wet. This jacket passes the real backcountry waterproof test, not just the marketing one. Second, the Patagonia Torrentshell 3L is tough. When you hike and backpack, you brush against branches and lean up against logs, scrape rocks, and your shoulder pads of your backpack rub. And this fabric is thick and forgiving. I've owned 3 of these jackets over the past 12 years, not because they failed, but because I use them hard. And I finally replaced my last one after insect repellent started to damage the collar lining, and then I literally gashed it on a tree. My fault, not the jackets. And when it came time to buy another rain shell jacket, out of all of my options, I chose to buy the Torrentshell 3L again. If you're new to outdoor gear, you don't need the lightest, the cheapest, or even the most expensive jacket on the internet. You need the one that won't let you down. This is the Patagonia Torrentshell 3L in a XXL in Marlow Brown. I am not sure what color this one is. They don't make it anymore. I thought I was getting gold. Maybe that's why it was such a great deal. What do you call this color? Banana cream pie? Homemade butter? I got no idea, but I'd love for you to tell me in the comments below what color you think this jacket should be called. Third, the Patagonia Torrentshell 3L hood is outstanding, and this matters more than people think. The crown adjustment keeps the hood from crashing into your face. I love this feature. The rear adjustment lets the hood turn with your head, not against it. And the peripheral adjustments here on the sides protect your vision while sealing out the wind and rain. And this matters because a good hood lets you keep moving throughout the wind and the rain. Next, the Patagonia Torrentshell 3L has the zips. If you've ever worn a cheap rain jacket, you know this feeling. This isn't rain, this is sweat. Ugh. PID zips help fix that. They let you dump heat fast, especially on uphill climbs or on humid days, without sacrificing waterproof protection. This is a non-negotiable feature for beginners. The Torrentshell 3L also gets the coverage details right. It's got a long enough hem to keep the rain from running down into your pants. It's got a drop tail that protects your lower back when bending over or wearing a pack. It's such a great design detail. And it has excellent wrist closures that seal out the rain without cutting off your circulation. These are so easy to adjust, and the Velcro just keeps on sticking. And don't forget the storm flat that blocks wind-driven rain at the zipper. And the reliable zipper. This thing has a great little grab here. Listen how smooth that is. Great, tough, thick zipper, no leaking down the front. These are all the ways that a cheap jacket fails, but not the Torrentshell 3L. This thing is bomb-proof. And let's be real, the Torrentshell, it looks good. It's got that classic Patagonia style. This is one of the most versatile rain jackets out there. It's practical, trustworthy, and rugged. You can wear it hiking, backpacking, canoeing, and out on date night with your lady.
I'm kind of a big deal.
For what you get, the Torrentshell 3L is one of the best values in rain jackets, period. It comes in at $179 US, but I have never paid full price for this jacket. It goes on sale at least a couple of times a year, and you can get a really good price on this amazing rain shell. The Torrentshell hits the sweet spot of protection, durability, simplicity, style, and long-term value. And if you find it on sale like I did, it's a total no-brainer. All right, a quick shout out to some other solid beginner options. The Marmot PreCip Echo, a budget-friendly option. The REI Rainier, solid store brand performance at a good price. And the Outdoor Research Foray 2, which has better breathability, but isn't quite as tough as this one. All good jackets, but the Torrentshell 3L is the best starting point for most people. Another thing that I love about the Torrentshell is, like any rain gear jacket, it folds nicely into the hood, which is great. But check this out. The Torrentshell also very conveniently folds in to one of its side pockets. Watch this. And Patagonia brilliantly puts a closure here so you don't have to use the other zipper. It's got its own foldable, packable zipper. This is so convenient. I love this about the Torrentshell. For more rain jacket reviews, check out my video, Best Adventure Rain Jackets. Link is below. The Torrentshell isn't ultralight. It's 14 ounces or 400 grams. There are lighter rain shells out there. And the Torrentshell isn't the most breathable rain jacket out there either. But if you want the rain jacket I trust the most, the one I've taken on dozens of trips across the country, get the Patagonia Torrentshell 3L. It's simple, durable, proven. If you want the best backpacking rain jacket to start with, this is the one I'd buy a fourth time. So I highly recommend it. Drop a comment and tell me your favorite rain shell jacket. Remember, let me know what color you think this should be called. Download my free outdoor gear and clothing guide. Check out my guided adventure trips Watch these videos next, and remember, don't just buy great outdoor gear and clothing, get out there and use it.